Aren't we all constantly on our phones and on our gadgets or even on our laptops staring the screen while we are doing everything, even eating food or even talking to anybody? Nowadays, I think it's a rare sight to, kind of have a discussion whether actually the person is looking at you and talking, because most of the times you're talking to someone and they're looking down on their phone and replying to you. But yes, when it comes to food, then yes, you should stop talking and talking on the phone while eating. It's really important that you kind of do not distract yourself with the gadgets and TV and phone and laptop while you're eating your food, because when you pay attention to your food, you are in touch with your satiety signals. You come to know when you're feeling full. You will come to know that, if I eat a little more, I will be stuffing myself. And all of these things will make sure that you're not overeating, that you just stop eating at the right time. Now, always I'm asked कि, कितना खाना है, the portion control, and we are always wanting to know कि कितना चीज का क्या खाना है. Like right now also, I think I have one question in which I'm asked कि how much of murmure to eat. The last few live sessions I had, someone was asking me how many eggs to eat. So whenever we are asking, anyone outside of us, even if it's a professional, even if it's a nutritionist like me or a dietitian, where we are asking them constantly how much to eat, we are not doing the right thing, because the answer is right within you. The answer is there inside of you. And if you really tune into your bodies, which will happen kind of if you do not stay distracted on your phones and stuff. So if you do that, you will come to know that, this is the point when I should stop eating. Typically, you should stop eating before being just too full and too stuffed.